Well, hello there. This is Business Prime. My name is Kelvin Nyakundi. Now, as cyber threats and scams continue to evolve across digital platforms, the demand for robust measures in Kenya is rising sharply. According to Airtel Kenya CEO Ashish Malhotra, there is a growing concern around digital fraud and scam messages, particularly targeting customers via SMS. Now, this has forced communication companies to come up with proactive ways to protect and empower customers to handle such threats.
As we're moving more and more towards digital inclusion, financial inclusion is very high. More and more enterprising individuals do come up to scam people, and this is just our way to prevent, to alert our customers of a potential scam that could happen by our spam alert service.
Ladies and gentlemen, as government, our responsibility is to ensure that innovation operates within an enabling and protective policy framework. That is why we are implementing critical instruments such as the Data Protection Act, the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act, and the upcoming National Digital Identity Framework.
Now, more than 50 pesticides brands have been banned from